Converting decimal to percent. How to convert decimal numbers to percent? In converting decimal number to percent, the first thing that we have to do, we have to apply it in example number 1. Copy the number that we will be converting to percent. So we have 0.17, multiply it by 100, and in multiplying numbers by 100, this is now what we are going to do. We just move the decimal point from the left side going to the right side. So the answer now is here, that is now 17, and next the sign percent. Now we have another strategy in letter B. We just copy again the number 0.17 and multiply this one by 100 using the long method of multiplication. We are going to assume here that we are multiplying whole numbers. That is here 17 times 100, and in multiplying 17 by 100, we just count here the number of zeros 1, 2. So we have to copy the number of zeros that are in 100. Then multiply 1 times 7, and the answer is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Our answer is 1700, but we have to count here the number of decimal point that we have multiplied. We have 1, 2, and in our answer, we just move also the decimal point here from the right side of 1700 to the left side also twice. That is now. Then our answer now is 17, and annex the sign percent. Now we have to do the same in example number 2. First, we have to copy the number to be converted to percent. 0.5. Multiply this one by 100, and in multiplying again 0.5 by 100, we have to move the decimal point here twice. 1, 2, and our answer now is 5, and next the sign percent. Then letter B, we have here copy 0.05, multiply this one by 100, and that is now count the number of zeros in 100. We have 1, 2, copy the zeros here, multiply 1 and 5. This 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 0 is 0, and we have to count the number of decimal point that we have multiplied. Then we have here how many decimal point that we have? 1, 2, so we have here from the right side of 500, we have to move here going to the left side twice. And our answer now is 5, and next the sign percent. That is 0.5 is equivalent now to 5%. Next, we have to do next in our example number 3, we have to copy first 0.009 and multiply this one by 100. After that, we are going to move our decimal point from the left side going to the right side twice. And our answer now is 0.9, and next the sign percent. And in letter B, we have to do the same as what we have done in previous example. We have to copy first 0.009, multiply this one by 100, that is using the long method of multiplication. Then count the number of zeros in 101, 2. We have also to copy that one here, 1, 2. Multiply 1 and 9, that is 1 times 9 is 9. And 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 0 is 0. And count the number of decimal point that we have, 1, 2, 3. Then we have to move our decimal point here, 1, 2, 3. So our answer now is 0.9%. We have to annex the sign percent. This is how to convert decimal numbers to percent.